Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this would be your first time to subscribe, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. It would help me a lot with my algorithm. Okay, so tonight we are going to do unboxing video of my new Louis Vuitton baby. It's not actually new. This is like my husband's Christmas gift from me, but I was so lazy doing unboxing video, but my friend kept telling me to really do it today. So, yeah, I have the strength now, even though I'm kind of sleepy because we were so busy yesterday doing the casinos. But anyway, let's do it. Okay, all right, let's see the box. This is a very lovely box. Louis Vuitton box with the blue ribbon. Okay, so let's untie the ribbon right now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, that's the ribbon there. And this is the box. We are going to open it right now. Yay! Oh my god, I really haven't seen it. So I'm kind of, you know, nervous if I would love the belt. But I've tried this belt. Actually, I've tried the different color in the store. I picked this up in Costa Mesa, Louis Vuitton store, so I was able to try the gray one, but this is the chocolate color. So let me see if it's really amazing. Hey, there you go. That's the dust bag. So cute. Yay! Okay, let's open it. Are you ready? I'm ready now. Let me see. Look. Wow. Look at that. Totally brand new. Wow. So this is the LV Initials 40mm reversible belt in monogram canvas. And I ordered the chocolate in color, and as the name states, it is reversible, so you can use both sides. So if you want to use the canvas, you can do so. And if you want to use the other side, all you need to do is remove the LV Initials buckle, and you can use the brown or the other side. Okay, and it measures 37.4 by 15.7 inches. That's what I ordered. And as I say, it comes in an LV gold buckle, which is removable. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to remove that. So all you need to do is just to pop it out. Okay, like this. It's kind of hard because it's still brand new. All right, and just carefully slide it on the other side. Okay, and put it back to its hole, and you're good to go. So if your outfit is, like comes with a lot of prints, I would suggest use the brown side or the chocolate side. But if it's just simple outfit like a black outfit or a black dress, you can use the monogram prints. It's very good with jeans or dress or any type of outfit that you want to wear. This would truly accentuate the dress itself. So let's check for the quality if it has scratches, if it has cracks, or anything that would be an issue. So far, so good. All right. Like what I said, I already tried this at the store and it's pretty good. It fits me well. I ordered the 95 centimeters in length because as you can see, I gained weight. So yeah, and that's the tag. They forgot to give me the envelope or the business card, but the invoice, they actually sent it on my email. I ordered this online and pick it up in Costa Mesa, and that's the picture where or when I tried the belt. But that's the gray one. It comes with a gray one and the black buckle, and it has, I believe, few choices that you can choose. You can order the 40 mm. I believe there's a 35 mm. You check the website. And also for the buckle, I believe there's a silver buckle as well that you can purchase. That I'm not sure if it's on stock or available. I just saw it when I was browsing online. Okay, pretty much I'm happy with it. It's thick, it can hold my waist and my fats. So that's not a problem. I enjoyed unboxing it and so far so good. There you go. Bye.
So guys, I'm here in Louis Vuitton. I'm picking up my order. We need to wear a mask, and this is what I got. I got the 40 mm belt in monogram canvas. Yay! And there's a lot of people here. I'm looking for Alma BB, but I'm not sure if it's available or not. So let me ask them. This. Hi, we're here in Louis Vuitton. I'm picking up my order, and that is Zeus. And that's the line. Those are colorful lines right now for summer. And that's baby Zeus. Hello, baby Zeus. Look at this house. Amazing. Wow. I like it.